Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve an integral calculus problem that uses U-substitution. So the problem is the integral of 6x plus 2 times the quantity 3x squared plus 2x raised to 4 dx. So we can notice here that if we're going to let u be equal to 3x squared plus 2x, and if we're going to derive it, du is equal to 3x squared. If we're going to derive that, that is equal to 6x. If we're going to derive 2x, that would be 2. And let's not forget to put dx here since we're deriving with respect to x. And we can notice that this term here is equal to this. So we can replace it with du. And also, 3x squared plus 2x is same with this. So we can replace it with u. So we can rewrite the expression as the integral of u raised to 4 du. So let's now integrate it. So if we're going to integrate u raised to 4 du, that is equal to u raised to 5 all over 5 plus c. But since u is equal to 3x squared plus 2x, let's substitute that back. 3x squared plus 2x raised to 5 all over 5 plus c. So that's the final answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's all. Thank you.